BJP has come out to say, and even the Congress party that has slammed the Kejriwal government and asking the Chief Minister to declare also a ban on liquor on Chhath Puja. But the BJP has come out to say, and in a way welcoming as far as this decision that has been made of designated Chhath Puja Ghat for the devotees to celebrate the day.
आज का निर्णय जो माननीय एलजी महोदय का है, उसके लिए माननीय एलजी महोदय को और देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को और गृह मंत्री जी को हम कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद करते हैं। और हमसे ज्यादा इस समय घरों में महिलाएं कर रही होंगी, जो छठ समितियां हैं वो कर रही होंगे। हमने 29 अगस्त को एक चिट्ठी लिखी थी माननीय एलजी महोदय को। उसमें हमने यही कहा था कि पिछले बार जो बैन किया गया छठ को यमुना तट पे, वो बिल्कुल गलत है। ये हम सब के लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन है।
नुकुल, आपके पास दोबारा वापस लौटते हुए, क्योंकि जो तस्वीरें आ रही है और पिछले जिस तरीके से छठ पूजा मनाई गई थी, देयर वाज नी डीप पोल्यूटेड वाटर्स एंड फोम, और टॉक्सिक फोम होता है, बट द डेवोटीज आर फोर्स्ड इन अ वे टू परफॉर्म देयर पूजा इन सच टॉक्सिक, डर्टी एंड फिल्थी वाटर्स। उसके लिए क्या इंतजाम किए गए?
Well, absolutely. It's certainly a matter of concern. Last year, we also saw that the devotees, they were standing knee deep in the waters, which was full of foam. There were visuals that are coming from the Sarita Vihar and also from the Kalindi Kunj Ghat, which is a matter of concern. Now, these are the issues that Manoj Tiwari, who's the MP of BJP, had also flagged when he had written a letter to LG the previous month, and stating that the timely cleaning of the Yamuna Ghats, the designated Ghats, should be done properly. But you can see this is the particular ghat. We are showing you the visuals continuously at the ITO. This is the Chhath Ghat, which is one of the designated ghats, which has been mentioned. So you can see the situation here in the visuals. You can clearly see that Chhath Puja, which is celebrated right after the Diwali, Diwali has just ended, and the residues that people have, the devotees who have been coming here, and they have been, these are the residues that have left after the Diwali. But since the Chhath Puja is going to start from 30th October and 31st, some of the devotees have also started coming here, but these are the situation. And we also saw some of the workers who were cleaning here since morning. But in these visuals, we can see that this cleaning of this particular ghat is yet to be done. And these are the concerns the BJP has also flagged. But and yesterday also Manoj Tiwari, he had also visited one of the ghats and to take a stock of the cleanliness. Today we are also given to understand that BJP delegation is going to visit at this particular ghat to take a stock of how the cleanliness is going on. So as you have rightly mentioned, that there is a toxic foam that is present at some of the ghats of Yamuna, which is going to be a matter of concern for the Delhi government.
Absolutely. With the Congress party now asking for a day ban on liquor on the occasion of Chhath Puja, the BJP has been saying that this is a victory of lakhs of people who will be celebrating Chhath Puja soon, and special arrangements that have been made for the devotees. Nukul, for the moment, thanks very much for joining in.